Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you here about to help you about on a situation that is about to be helping you about what we are going to understand and see through the make payment on what is going to be here. What we are going to understand and see what is going to be here right now. Through what we are going to understand guys through on the moment that is about to be here, through what we are going to see guys, through what we are going to have through our progress that is about to be really very important guys to be doing it through the help support here on what we are going to have through our progress on the Portugag through this situation. So what we can see over here is about to be right now to be help you through what we are going to have, as you can see about over Portugag here to that is about to be really something that is about to be making a Portugag overpayment, and this about right now to help you in this situation. You can start to read these details and you will start to make an overpayment Portugag.